Hello students, hope all of you are fine and you have done all the works of the previous exercise. In the previous exercise, we have done with proportion. So today, in this class, we are going to start the last topic of this chapter, ratio and proportion, that is unitary method. Some of you may know a little bit about unitary method. Maybe you have done in class 5 also. So let me introduce this topic with you. Before going to this topic, I have to explain what does this unitary method means. The word unitary means one, related to one. So this method can be defined as the unitary method is a technique for solving problems by first finding the value of a single unit and then following the necessary values by multiplying the single unit value. So here first we have to find for one. Maybe it may be cost, it may be length, it may be weight. Okay. So for one we need to find, then the next step is we need to find for the given number of things. Okay. Unitary method can be solved in two ways. Mostly they are used in solving word problems. There are two types of ways for solving this unitary method word problem. So now we will go to those types. So now we will see the first type, how to solve unitary method. This is the sentence format by using sentence, and the another one is by equalizing the proportion. So let's have a look in the first type. The question is 12 bags of wheat weighs 90 kg. How much will 20 bags weigh? That means 12 bag of wheat weighs 90 kg. What will be the weight of 20 bags? So the statement will be like this. Which one we need to find? That one is always on the right side. Since here weight is asked to find, so weight will be always on the right hand side. 12 bags of wheat weigh 90 kg. Okay, it is given in the question. Now, since unitary method, so for 1 bag's weight we need to find. 1 bag of wheat weighs, so 1 is less, so in less it is always divide. 1 is less than 12, so the case will be divide. So 90 by 12. So it's got. Now we need to find the 20 bags weight. So 20 bag of wheat weighs, it will be multiplied. As it is mentioned in the definition that first we need to find for a single unit and then we need to find for the required amount by multiplying. So here it is multiplied. Then I have simplified this and I have got the answer as 150 kg. So 20 bag of wheat weighs 150 kg. This is the first type. This is called statement format of solving unitary method. Now we will go to the next type, which is called as the equalizing the ratio. So now let's have a look on it. So now type 2. Let's see what was the question. 22.5 meter of silk costs rupees 214.20. What is the cost of 6 3/4 meter? So we need to find the cost of 6 3/4 meter of cloth. So for equalizing we have to consider. So what we have considered? Let the cost be x. So cost for 6 3/4 we have considered as x. Equalizing the ratio we get. So ratio of the length of cloth equals to ratio of cost. So both the length in one side, 22 1/2 is to 6 3/4 and 22 1/2's cost is 214.20 and this one's cost we have considered as x. Okay, we all know ratio means divide. So after converting this improper fraction to proper, after converting this mixed fraction to improper fraction, I have changed this ratio sign to divide and then to multiply. Then I have simplified here and I have done cross multiplication over here. I have kept 1 by x in one side and all the numericals I have taken in another side. Then I have find the value of x by just simply multiplying. 5 into 2 is 10 and 3 into 2142 is 6426. Then I have placed the decimal. So I have got the value of x. Now what does x means? X means the cost of 6 3/2 meter of clothes. So what will be the cost of 6 3/2 meter of clothes? It is rupees 64.26. Okay, so here both the examples I have shown. Now I will go to the exercise 9D. Now you can see the exercise. Take out your book, page number 169. There are 12 problems. All are of unitary method type. Okay, so now a few examples from this exercise I have shown below. So let's have a look on them. Keep your book open with you. I will read the question and I will explain you. So just have a look on question number 1. 8 ball pens cost rupees 64. What is the cost of one pen? So here I have applied the statement method. 8 ball pens cost rupees 64. So obviously the cost of one pen will be less than that of 8 pen. So therefore one ball pen costs rupees 64 divided by 8. I have simplified it. Cancellation. So answer is 8. Okay, here cost is asked to find. So the cost is on the right hand side. 2 number is left for the students as homework. Now I will go to question number 3. In 25 minutes, a train can travel 20 km. How far will it travel in 5 minutes? So here also statement method I have followed. In 25 minutes, a train travel 20 km. So in 1 minute, it will travel less. So in 1 minute, it is 20 by 25 km. We need to find for this. We need to find for the 5 minute. Okay. So for 5 minute, it will be 20 by 25 into 5. So the simplification I am leaving for the students to be solved by themselves. Now I will go to question number 5. Now read the question of question number 5 very carefully. 12 rubber ball costs rupees 15. 12 rubber ball costs rupees 15. How many rubber balls can be bought for rupees 20? Here the statement is a little bit different. Here number is asked to find. So the number will be on the right hand side. So we have changed the sentence. Rupees 15 is the cost of 12 balls. Okay. So rupee 1 is the cost of 12 by 15 balls. So it is asked in 20 rupees how many balls one can get. Therefore rupees 20 is the cost of 12 by 15 into 20 balls. According to unitary method, after one's line we need to multiply it. Then I have simplified 12 and 15. Both get cancelled with 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Okay. Then 5 4s are 20. So 4 is to 4. 4 into 4 is 16 balls. So for rupees 20 we can get 16 balls. Question number 6 is same as this. You can apply any of the procedure. So now I am going to explain you question number 7. Question number 7 I have solved by equalizing method. A boy can run 49 meter in 6.3 seconds. How far can he run in 4.5 seconds? So let the distance he can run be x meter. Equalizing the ratio, we get ratio of distance equals to ratio of time. So what are the distance? One is 49 and one is x. So 49 by x. 49 meter is covered in 6.3. So with equivalent to 49 I have written 6.3, and with equivalent to x I have written 4.5. Now cross multiplication. 6.3 into x and 49 into 4.5. Again transformation rule I have followed. 66.3 is multiplied here. This side it has gone, it has got divide. Now the decimal of both get cancelled, and here is a just simple calculation. I have simplified them and I have got the answer as 35 meter. So the result is, in 4.5 seconds the boy can run 35 meter. Okay, I hope my explanation and my concept which I have given to you is clear to you all. So the remaining problem you can solve by yourself. I am giving a hint for question number 8. Question number 8, there is dozen and scores. So I have given the hint for dozen and scores. 1 dozen equals to 12 items and 1 score equals to 20 items. In the similar way, I have solved question number 11's subdivision number 1 and 2 also. Just have a look. Just be careful in unitary method. When we will find for 1, there is always divide. Okay, and next to one's line it is always multiplied. This is the main thing you need to follow when you will use statement rule. Otherwise, if you will use the equalization formula, then just you have to remember how to equalize it. Be careful while equalizing and doing cross multiplication. And one more thing which you need to remember, be careful about the multiplications. While multiplying, be confident on yourself, and while you will simplify, that means you will cancel, be confident on yourself. Your own confidence can make you do the maths correctly. Okay? So the remaining problems, some which I have left, you will do as homework, and if you will face any type of problem, then you go through this video again and again. Your concept will be clear and you can solve by yourself. So here we are ending up with the first chapter of half yearly. In our next class, we will start with the new chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay protective. Thank you.